Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you today? So I went ahead and just said I'm just going to use this, and I got a piece cut off and measured that was big enough, and I got it nice and pressed and starched, and then I spray basted the batting on there, and I'd already pressed the top first, and I've got it on here, and it is spray basted. And I am getting ready, I think, to. I'm not really going to stitch in the ditch. I may do like an echo on each side of the ditch, kind of. And to see how that looks. I'm trying to determine which color of red I want. I may go ahead and use the Gutermann thread on that. I think it just looks a little bit better as far as a match to it. Um, but yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so I will start um to do the quilting on there. This may, if I do all of that I was going to, that's going to take me a couple of days because that's a good amount, and I am not that quick at it. So anyway, I just wanted to give you the status update of this little quilt top, and it's definitely different, right? Talk to y'all later. Bye.